This is Steve Engel with Bill Estes Ford. This is the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. This is the Platinum. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a blue. And there is the front. You've got storage in the front. A little bit of storage in here as well. There's your connectors for 220. Of course, you have your port right here on the driver's side. Running boards deployed. Beautiful leather interior. It does have a work area. You can fold that down nice and flat. Of course, huge backup monitor, and then all of your buttons that used to be there are now operated through the screen as well. It does have a huge panoramic roof. Plenty of storage in the back. And that'll fold down, so if you need it to be pretty flat as well. Spray-in bed liner from the manufacturer. Also has a the tailgate can be operated through your key fob as well. Again, this is the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum. Again, I am Steve Engel at Bill Estes Ford, 317-852-2231.